Big blocks are the way to go. I like big blocks and I cannot lie. Hey everyone, it's me, your quilting wingman, Angela Walters, and I'm back with an exciting video series perfect for all you beginner quilters out there. Picking your first ever quilt pattern can be a little intimidating and overwhelming, and that's why I'm here. Before we begin, I want to know where my midnight quilters are at. Leave a comment below and tell the new quilters what they're missing out on. And be sure to subscribe. Deciding on your first quilt pattern is kind of like finding your perfect match. Let's start simple with straight lines and no matching points. Nope, swipe left on that one. Eek, I would not bring that one home to mom. Oh, here we go. This Bargello is perfect. Basic shapes, no matching points. That's definitely one to swipe right on. The Bargello technique results in an intricate looking quilt that is so easy to put together. Plus, you get this cool rainbow effect of color, definitely something that you could live with. Unlike this other Bargello, which is beautiful, but it has a lot of small pieces and all these matching points, let's save that for a later quilt. Another thing to consider is the number of blocks. Even if it's an easy block, you don't want to piece a lot of them. Let's see if we can find a quilt that fits that criteria. Wow, this quilt seems a little needy. It looks like it needs a lot of time, a lot of cutting, a lot of attention. I'm gonna swipe left to that one. Ooh, but how about this one? This one's perfect. Nice sized, good to go. I think I'm gonna swipe right on that one. Like a charm, it may have some matching points, but it uses pre-cut squares. That means you don't have to take all the time cutting out your fabrics. You can get right to the fun part. Another thing to consider is the size of the quilt. King size, swipe left. Throw size, swipe right. We want a quilt that you're actually gonna finish, so keeping it a manageable size will make it a lot more fun. This Good Life quilt is stunning, but it's also huge. You might not be ready for that level of commitment quite yet. But this blockout quilt is perfect. It's smaller, making it more manageable, giving you a sense of accomplishment, and it really lets the fabric shine. This is a great pattern to show off your favorite fabric prints. All these patterns are great options for beginner quilters, but I can't help but feel that there's a perfect one out there just for me. Let's see. No, swipe left to that one. Ooh, no to that one. I found it. It has everything. Big blocks, no matching points, plenty of background area to quilt in. It's like a match made in heaven. So at the end of the day, pick a pattern that you like. You're gonna finish it because you want to, so pick something that's gonna keep you going. It's okay to start with something harder. You just might need a little bit more wine while piecing it. I have several free quilt patterns that are just waiting for you to pick them to be your first quilt. You can find all the details about that in the link below. So what do you think? Are you a beginner quilter? Have you picked out a pattern? Let us know in the comments below. There are plenty of advanced quilters out there that want to know all about your project, myself included. This is such an exciting time. You picked your pattern, now it's time to pick out the fabric. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to select just the perfect prints for your project.